Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to deactivate or even delete your account in App X, or as it used to be called, Twitter. In order to do this, you log into the app. Then you click on your profile. And here you open the item Settings. Then you click on your account. Then click on Deactivate your account. Then you go down and click on the button Deactivate. Then you enter your password and deactivate your account. After that, when you log back into your account within 30 days, it will be restored. If you don't make it in time, the account will be deleted for good, as you can see. This is a very easy and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.